ma-add 103 statistics. So, for us to submit files, so click classwork. What is the work that you are going to submit? Either activity 1 or activity 2 to 7. So, for activity 1, you may click this one, activity 1. This time, I will show you on how to upload or submit files using Google Classroom, which is created by our teacher. So first, open the Google Chrome. Okay, find your Facebook. Facebook. Okay, so I wanna show you on how to upload and submit files using Google Classroom. So for our subject, my advanced 03. So find my ed 103. So, my 103 statistics. So, find out our Google Classroom here. Okay, so here's our Google Classroom. So open this one. Okay, so this is our ma-ed 103 statistics. So, for us to submit files, so click classwork, then open. So, what is the work that you are going to submit? Either activity 1 or activity 2 to 7. So, for activity 1, you may click this one, activity 1. So, view instructions, click view instructions, then this time you may add, then click the file that you are going to submit. Okay, click the file that you are going to submit, file, then browse. Okay, so then you will find it. First, the file that you are going to submit. So either you put it in the desktop, the downloads, or in the documents. So if ever that you put your files in the desktop, so you click desktop, then you find out what's the file that you are going to submit, then open. Say for example, you are going to submit this one, ma-ed 103. So you may click this file, then open. Click, then open. Okay, say for example, activity 2, then open. Okay, then you wait. The files submitted. Okay, so then turn in. Click turn in. Okay. So wait, the files is submitted already. So if you wish to delete it, so you click unsubmit. So kung i-unsubmit, okay, then close. Okay, so that's all, and thank you.